Hey everyone, it's Sydney, and today I have a really exciting video. I'm gonna be showing you my fall mantle decor. So I'm gonna show you where I got each thing, and yeah, I'm just really pumped about it. If you're new to my channel, I make all things lifestyle videos, and we just bought this house in July. So this is our first fall in the house, and I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and just hop in. Let me show you what I got. So as you can see, this is my mantle. It's just a white brick. It came this way when we got it. Oh, there's a hair. Nice, okay. And right here, this little cross is actually a staple during always. We always have this here. My mom got it for me and Tony for our first Christmas together, and I just love the feel of it. Then I have some leaves, some like faux leaves, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. And the thing about Hobby Lobby, make sure you go because usually they have like a 50% off like floral thing or 40% off coupon. I think they always have a 40% off coupon. So make sure you go online and use it because these ended up being really inexpensive. I can't really remember, but I actually have two. So one here and then the one on top. Now this bless sign is really cute. If you've been on my channel before, you know that I typically have a gold mirror there, but I took it down. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit, and I put this bless sign. This was $24 at Ross. So if you don't go to Ross, I know it's kind of more like that off-brand TJ Maxx, but I love Ross. Me and my husband love Ross. We don't go as much as we go to TJ, but for certain home decor, it's a lot less expensive to get that there. So we love that. Moving on to this little guy. This, during our wedding, we were antique shopping a lot and like different things like that. And then we found this at a thrift store. But I feel like you could find something like that at Home Goods if that's something you're interested in. And then inside, my candle's not centered. It needs to go over there more. But I just put in fake candles from the Dollar Tree. I just buy them there. And when I have people over, I turn the little switch on. It looks like I have a little candle going, even though I don't. But yeah, I'm actually kind of like scared of fire, which we're gonna move on to why I'm scared of fire, or like extending why I'm afraid of fire. So down here, this little friend, this is from Ross again. I love Ross. I think this was like $12, which if you shop for things often, you know that's a pretty good deal. And then again, I've got my little, oh, I spilled some water in there the other day. I was decorating the mantle and I had flowers up there and then they spilt everywhere and water is in here, so these candles are ruined. But I had to go back to the Dollar Tree and get some more tea candles because I like to turn those on and get a little glow. So you're probably wondering, Sydney, why is there no wood in your fireplace? So I'm scared of fire. My neighbor's house burnt down once, and that was terrifying for me. Also, I hate the smell of fire in my hair. So me and my husband have decided that we are not gonna put fire in here, like real fire, even though it is a wood burning fireplace. I know a lot of people love that, and they wish they had that. I am terrified of it. So what we did, we actually bought on Amazon this like wood log thing, and you turn it on, and it lights up, it looks like real wood, and it heats, but I bought the wrong one. So it's coming in soon, and I'll show you guys because it'll be in my Christmas mantle haul thingy. So this will have some fake logs, and especially when you close it like this, it will look super real. And then lastly, for my mantle, I have this beautiful wick basket. This was from Target. It was actually from my cousin, but she got it for us, and it's from Target. And then I just filled it with some florals from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby's the best. We always support Jesus. And then these little guys, I just kind of put that in there. This basket is a staple I always have. I just fill it with whatever seasonal flowers I have. And the last little thing I want to show you guys is this little nook. This little area here. So this chair is a big deal because I got it from Goodwill. Everyone was so shook. I posted on my story and I was like, is this a vibe? And everyone was like freaking out. So I got this. I cleaned it down, made it smell good and stuff like that. But yeah, my little blanket, I think it's from TJ Maxx and it was like $12. And then this pillow I got last year from TJ and it says gather together with love. And you gotta pat him often to keep him looking good. But yeah, that looks really cute with this little area. I don't know if I told you or not, but my blinds are from IKEA, so super awesome. They're like $10. Tony put them up with his brother, and I like the black. So yeah, that's that. And then this is like the last little thing in this little corner. And this is our Wi-Fi password. I have it up here. This was from Was it TJ or Ross?
I think it's TJ. It might be Ross. I don't even remember.
I think we got it from TJ Maxx, and yeah, we have it here. Anytime people are like, "What's the Wi-Fi password?" I'm like, "Go to the wall," and there it is, and it looks cute. So yeah, maybe just give them a little overview, real quick, of just this little cute area. Oh, don't die. Okay. And then yeah, don't get this part because this is dirty. But if you just look right here, this area looks very nice and clean. So yeah. This is our fall mantle and chair. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below your favorite store to buy things from for seasons. Because I am gonna be shopping for Christmas soon. I know it's just turned November, but that is like the time. So I'm gonna start doing all Christmas videos. So let me know your favorite place to shop for Christmas decor because I have to get everything new. We have nothing. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. No, stop! Why do you have to show them that?